In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete blank pages in WPS Office in mobile. This is a quick and practical guide for cleaning up your document when extra pages appear, especially after editing or formatting text. Removing blank pages helps keep your file neat, professional, and ready to share or submit. To begin, open the WPS Office app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, locate and open the document where you are seeing extra or blank pages. As the document loads, take a moment to review the total number of pages. In this example, you may notice that the document shows several pages even though only a few of them actually contain text. For instance, you might see 5 pages in total, but only 2 pages have written content. The remaining pages are empty and unnecessary. To remove these extra pages, tap directly on the blank page area so the cursor is active on that page. This step is important because the cursor needs to be placed correctly before deleting anything. After selecting the blank page, look at your on-screen keyboard and find the backspace icon. Tap the backspace icon to remove the extra space causing the blank page. As you do this, you will notice the page count decrease. For instance, after deleting 1 blank page, the document may go from 5 pages down to 4 pages. If there are still additional blank pages remaining, repeat the same process. Tap on the next blank page to place the cursor there, then press the backspace icon again. Each time you do this, WPS Office removes the extra page by deleting the hidden spacing or line breaks that caused it. Continue using the backspace icon until all unnecessary pages are removed. You will know you are done once the document only shows pages that contain actual content. At this point, all blank and extra pages should be completely gone. This method works because blank pages in mobile documents are usually created by extra line breaks or spacing. By carefully placing the cursor and using the backspace key, you are removing those hidden elements and cleaning up the layout of your document. Once everything looks correct, you can continue editing or save your document with confidence, knowing that it no longer contains unwanted pages. This simple technique is very helpful when preparing documents for printing, sharing, or submission. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.